Today we're looking at part number 21-36. This is the oil cap kit. Includes the rubber plug and the O-ring. So this cap is most commonly used on 12,000 pound, 15,000 pound Dexter trailer axles. However, it can also be used on 9,000 pound axles manufactured from 10 of 89 to 7 of 2009, or 10,000 pound axles manufactured before 7 of 2009. But most commonly nowadays, you're going to see it on 12,000 pound axles and 15,000 pound axles. It has an overall diameter of 4.36 inches. The thread diameter is 3.97, and the inside diameter is 3.59. You can get these at TrailerPartsUnlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687. Thank you.